Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll tell you how to accept Infosys offer letter, how to check your Infosys result status, how to check you are selected or rejected or you should wait. And what is the next step after receiving offer letter? What is the next step after accepting offer letter? What is the process of document verification? Which documents are required for document verification? If you are waiting for offer letter, then we will discuss about that. And most important thing, will they provide training from work from home or you have to go in Mysore for training, and what is the salary during the training? Everything we will discuss in this video, so watch full video for better understanding. Let's get started. So once you'll click on the link which I'll provide in the description box, I'll provide this link in the description box. When you'll click on this Infosys link, this is Infosys career link. Once you'll click on this link, then you will be redirected to this page. Here you need to sign in here, so you need to click here sign in. Once you'll click here sign in, then you need to sign in here, you need to log in here. So you can log in using your Google account, Google. So please make sure login with your that Google account which is mentioned in your Infosys job. Okay, so I'll click here. So I am just I'll pause this video. I'll enter my some email ID. I'll after that I'll resume this video. Okay, so I signed in using my Gmail account which is mentioned in my Infosys. So here you can see here offer list. When I'll click here view, here you can see it's showing my application process state. Here you can see first one is applied, second one is review in progress, third one is offer release, fourth one is offer accepted. I accepted the offer letter, that's why it's showing offer accepted. If you have not accepted your offer letter, then it will show till here offer released. So how to accept the offer letter? Once you click here anywhere on this window, this screen, once you click here, I already accepted this offer letter. uh, that's why there is no button to accept offer letter. Once you click here anywhere on this window, this screen, then here one more button will be visible, accept. Okay, once you click on that accept button, then this will be changed to this offer accepted. Okay, so this is the process to accept the offer letter. So this is the very small process, you just need to click on that button, accept. So once you'll accept your offer letter, it will show like this, accept your offer letter. So what is the next step after this? Before that, let me tell you. So this is the process. You can here you can check your application status. So if in your application it's showing review in progress, then it means you should wait. And if it's showing rejected, it means you are rejected, so you should apply after 6 months again. So if it's showing only review in progress or under progress, then no need to worry, please have patience, because this process will take time. Why I'm saying this process will take time, let me show uh, my status. Let me show the here you can see. First I received mail, your interview with Infosys has been scheduled on 6th September. Please note the date. On 6th September my interview was scheduled, and I joined the interview, but interviewer did not join. Then after that I wrote a mail to Infosys, then they rescheduled my interview. They rescheduled my interview on let's load this page. Yeah, they rescheduled my interview on 13th September. Okay, on 13th September I gave my interview, and the interviewer joined and interview went well. After that, please note the timing, date and timing. After that I received job offer. Let the page reload again. After that I received job offer. Here you can note the date, 15 October. So here you can see my interview was on 13th September, but I received job offer on 15th October. You can see it's more than 1 month. After 1 month I received job offer, and after that on 15th October I received job offer, and after that I received this mail. Let the page reload. Yeah, after that I received this offer of employment. In this I have offer letter and joining date, everything I have in this mail. So after that I received this mail on 7th November. So you can see, so this process is taking time, please have patience. Okay, so you can see now let me tell you what are the important documents which is mandatory for document verification. Let me click on this. Once you click on this, here you can see, let me zoom this for you. I'll zoom this. Here you can see, first one is 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, graduation degree certificate. So if you not if you don't have any graduation degree yet, so don't worry, you can submit your mark sheet only, and okay, don't no need to worry. After that, post graduation mark sheet if applicable, diploma mark sheet if applicable. After that, this is important, if you have any experience, if you are working in any company, then a relieving letter or experience letter is compulsory, mandatory. Okay, and passport, national skills registry. So I have already made a video how to register on NSR. I'll provide link in the description box. Okay, so you can register on that NSR. This is mandatory. After that, you will get up pin. Okay, NSR pin. So please note that pin. That pin is very important. So after that, PAN card is mandatory. So these are the documents. So let me tell you what is the next step after this, after receiving offer letter and after accepting the offer letter. So after that, here you can see they are saying, let me show this. Yeah, let me zoom this. They are saying, mm, yeah, they are saying our launchpad team should soon be getting in touch with you regarding our onboarding process, and regarding any concern that might crop up during such period. Feel free to get in touch us over a call or any changes for in your existing profile. And I'll probably link. I'll show the their contact number, on which number you need to call. Okay, I'll at the end of this video I'll tell you uh, their Infosys helpline number. No need to worry. Okay, so what is the next step? So next step is, you don't need to worry, you just need to accept the offer letter. After that, they will send you mail, and also they will conduct a meeting also. After that, they will conduct a meeting, so that they will tell you everything, what are the process, everything they will discuss. You don't need to worry. Okay, so this is this process. And now let me tell you, I think I discussed. Yeah, now let me tell you, training is work from home or not. Yeah, training is work from home, but in the offer letter they have mentioned job location is Mysore. No, please don't worry, your job location, your training location will be work from home for now. And after the training, they will give you choice, you can select your preferred location. After that, you have chance to get your preferred location. Okay, so and now let me tell you salary during the training. So during the training, they will provide you 3 LPA. After the training, they will provide you 3.6 LPA. Okay, so this is the process. Now let me tell you about those candidates who are waiting for offer letter. So I already told you, if you are waiting for offer letter, please have patience until you don't get rejection mail. Please have patience, this process will take time, so please have patience. Okay, they will definitely send you offer letter if your interview went well. So this is the update from my side. If you think I missed anything, please feel free to ask in comment box. I'll try to give you reply. And you can join our Telegram channel, which I'll provide link in the description box. And if you think this video is helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.